Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be doing an SQL question on Leetcode. You guys can find this question. The name of it is 585 Investments in 2016. It's located in the SQL 50 Leetcode question category, and this is ranked as a medium question. So, PID is the primary key. Column with unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains information about the policy, where PID is the policyholder's policy ID. TIV 2015 is the total investment value in 2015, and TIV 2016 is the total investment value in 2016. LAT is the latitude of the policyholder's city. It's guaranteed that the LAT is not null. LON is the longitude of the policyholder's city. It's guaranteed that the long is not null. Write a solution to report the sum of all total investment values in 2016 for policyholders who have the same TIV 2015 value as one or more other policyholder and are not located in the same city as any other policyholder. Round TIV 2016 to 2 decimal places. So when I read this question, the first thing that comes into mind is we need to use a having query, and there's two requirements. There's this requirement and this requirement. So we would need an and between these two. And that's how I like to visualize it. I like to read the question, and for each requirement, I like to visualize what I would need to use to answer each requirement and how I can couple the two answers together so that it would answer the entire question. So first thing is first, I want to tackle this question right here first, right? So we'll do select, and we want to find the one that has the same TIV 2015 value as one or more other policy holder. So TIV 2015, and then we will group by TIV underscore 2015 from insurance. And I want to show you guys something before I write the having statement, right? Take a look at this. So when we group it and we use this count right over here, I think I spelled that. There we go. There we go. All right, sorry about that. It was syntactual error. So when we group it, we could see the count of each one of them, right? Now we want the one with the count that is more than one, because it's asking, the question is, has the same TIV value as one or more other policymaker. If the value is 1, that means there's just one. Now if the value is 2 or more, that means it has the same as one or more other policyholders. So it's important to read the question and understand it. Now, to make these things easier, so that we don't have to use a CTE, we'll just do a having count more than 1. Yeah, so there we go. And let's run it. And then we get the value 10. So that's perfect. We answered that first question. Now the second one is essentially the same thing. I mean, we're going to do the same thing down here. So let's go down here. And it says that are not located in the same city. So we'll go select. And what we're going to do is, it gives you a hint right here. Attribute pairs must be unique. So we would need to concat this and find the value from the concatenated result. So we'll do concat lat comma lon, right? And then we'll place enter. And then next what we'll do is from insurance, and then we'll go enter, and then group by lat comma lon, and we'll do having count equals 1. So just to show you guys what I mean, let me grab a note, and we'll put this here, and we'll also grab this and put this here. And I just want to go show you step by step so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Okay. So let's just execute this. Okay. So it's saying 10, 10. The count of this is only 1, right? And the count of this is only 1. So it's only shown once in both of these tables. Now, if you're kind of newer to SQL, we could do it like this, and then we'll just do count, because I know a having statement is kind of a little bit more on the intermediate level. So for you to understand, we could do it with just a regular count. So you can see it grouped it by the lat and the long. So you see how it grouped it. So 2020, it's counted twice, and 1010, it's counted once. So I hope that makes sense. So let's get it back to how it was. Awesome. And then now I'm gonna grab the first one that we did, and then I'll do that. Great. Now it's important to remember when we executed this query, it came out as a concatenated value. So that's something that you want to keep in mind. Now let's build the rest of the query that's supposed to be around it. So the final answer that we need is we want a round value of the sum of the tiv underscore 2016, and we want it rounded to, I believe they said 2 decimal, yeah, so 2 decimal places as tiv 2016. Great. Now what we'll do is we'll do from, I believe, insurance, and this is where it all makes sense. We're gonna do where, and if you guys remember when we executed this, we came up with the tiv value. So we're gonna do where tiv in whatever the tiv value that's executed from this is, and that's gonna be a 10. And then we're gonna do and concat lat lon in whatever this value is, which is going to be the 10, 10, and 40, 40. So let's run it and let's see. Okay, it was accepted. We can submit it, and let's take a look. There we go. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye.